Hi everyone, I'm Alpela. Today I want us to discuss two important topics, and I want you to please listen and learn from it, and then choose the best that you start using to change your online story. The first one is online jobs. A lot of people love the online jobs, but do you know it has also limitations? Today I'll be telling you. Now, what is an online job? An online job refers to a type of employment or work, okay, that is coordinated through the internet. That is an online job. Now, I'll be taking us through the second one, which is called a skill. Now, what is a skill? A skill refers to a specific ability or expertise that an individual possesses. Okay, and this enables them to perform a particular task or set task effectively. Now, these skills can be acquired through developing yourself, through education, training, practice, and also experience. Okay, now we'll be looking at the benefits of online job. The first one is the benefit of online job is it gives you flexibility. But remember, you're working for someone. The second one is work-life balance. Okay? But remember, you're working for someone. Now, wider job markets. But still remember, you're working for someone. Okay? Then let's see the benefits of a skill. It gives you employment. Now, what is this employment? Employment in the sense that you can create your own employment for yourself. Okay? Now, by developing valuable skills that enhances you to be employed, people will see what you're doing and they are going to pay for that service. With that, you have employment for yourself. Now, it gives you career advancement. Acquiring new skills or improving the existing ones opens up opportunities for you. You become an entrepreneur. And you can train other people as well to do the same. Now, personal growth. It gives you personal growth. And do you know the last and the best? Problem solving. You start solving problems for people. So I want you to look at these two and ask yourself, which of them is the best I should be doing? Remember, online jobs are good, but they have limitations. And what about if you don't feel like working? You will do it anyway because you have to get paid for working for someone, right? So you have to deliver. But when you have a skill, you can turn it into a service, turn it into a product, and guess what? You can also monetize it. So that's the beauty of having a skill. So choose the best and start using it to change your story. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye-bye.